Alright, so I got a comment on my last video saying, let's see the drone. I think that maybe this person didn't believe me that I flew the drone. So, I'm here at Open Grove Raceway, and I'm going to show you these types of drones that we fly and what Open Grove is all about. Check it out. I have been doing some work getting my quads tuned and updated and ready to fly. But this one right here, this was the drone that I flew in the Malibu snow video. This is it. This is the guy right here. I put a GoPro in here when I'm flying, and that gets the HD video feed. If you can see down here, this is a FPV camera, so what this is doing is this is sending the video feed through here, and this is Puff. Say hi.
Oh, it's happening! It's happening! Oh, you don't want to use those.
These are, yeah, it was not.
Yeah, no.
But it was the only props I had, so.
This 5-inch?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is it. They come in all different like shapes and sizes, like this one, for instance. Okay. So I just finished updating these guys. And it's time to at least go test fly this one and see how it does. All right, so this is what the track looks like at Open Grove. It has been like really, really rainy recently, so the track hasn't gotten the attention that it normally does. There's netting for the pilot area, the power for your chargers, but what makes my drone newer, or what makes my stuff new, is this. So this is the goggle receiver, and this is the new piece of gear that's gotten me really stoked on flying, because now I can see. I'm not like, not a lot of static. So let's get this thing up in the air and see how all those updates did. Wait, I didn't hear it. Duck. Oh my goodness.
What?
Really smooth. Oh, there's no OSD. Oh! Okay, hold on. I got some brake bobble.
Oh no, Trent, was that, did it do that by itself?
Yeah. So you don't win every time. Most of this motor's shot now, and a couple of the screws on the flight controller came out. But that's why you come out to a place like this to test the stuff. I'm gonna see if I can order a new motor, and in the meantime I've got a new drone setup coming, so I'm just gonna build that, have some fun, and get another motor for this, get it fixed. But that's about it today at Open Grove. You have anything to say, Puff?
Nope, I'm good, baby.
Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna go hop on the internet and find some new parts. Have a good one.